If your goal is to get attention, grow your audience, generate leads with TikTok ads, then in this masterclass, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to do this. This is the TikTok ads masterclass, and I want to welcome you here. Now, you may be asking, who is this ad for? Who is this class for? This class is for marketers, business owners, small creators, and just to show you exactly how TikTok ads work and the likes. So this is not just going to be a slideshow webinar, it's going to be a practical webinar. The truth about ads is that when you know how to run ads, it helps you towards amplify. Ads helps to amplify a message, a content, a sales funnel, and it helps you toward build faster, to build revenue faster and the likes. The reason why ads are very powerful is because you can reach people very very fast. If the algorithm favors you, you can scale faster. If efficient CPMs, that means you can have low cost to find your initial buyers. And if you're a new person, you can have a quick a fresh lift. You understand? So there are two types of ways to run TikTok ads. There is the using the phone on. You can use phone, whereby you just click on boost post and your ad is live, or you can just use the ads manager. Today we are going to be using the ads manager, and that is why we are here. So I'm going to be sharing my screen. So we are just going to be going to ad manager. To the ad manager, all you just need to do is to click on business.tiktokad.tiktok.com. Now you just click on this website and you select it, business.tiktok.com. So we are going to visit this website. What is happening? All right, so business.tiktokads.com, business.tiktok.com, and it's going to take you here. Now, if you're a new person, maybe you don't have an account, then the first thing you need to do is to go here. You need to click on this place. Make sure you're using your system. It is probably very, very slow on your phone, or sometimes it can be frustrating using phone interface. So you can use your system. So if you're just new, you click here to create a new account, and it will, when you create on a get started, then you can, the network is very very slow. Now, just like I was saying, I was trying to load the other page. So if you click here, it's going to take you straight into where you can log in your TikTok account. From your TikTok account, it will take you straight into your TikTok page. For me, this is like my page. So I'm going to be logging in normally just the way I used to log in. I'll just click on this place and it will show me almost the same thing. It will show me this. Then this is where you select your account. You can have multiple business managers, but you can create new if you already have, or you can just use your existing system. So I'm going to click on this and just show you how the interface of everything is. So when you get into your TikTok account, this is how it's going to be. It's going to ask you for two-step verification. If you want, you can say no. So this is just like a fresh account where I have not really, done so much here. I've not really spent money here, but this is how the interface is. You understand? And it is very, very easy. All you just need to do is, just to click sign in with your TikTok ads. So there's a lot of things that you need to know here. There is a place for where you can create ad accounts, and immediately you just create it. There's no much thing you need to do. All you just need to do is to create an ad account. Create an ad account, and to create an ad account, all you just need to do is to click on assets here. Click on assets, then you can, asset is where you add all those things. So when you click on assets, okay, click on accounts. Then in account, you can just click on add advertising account. Now, when you've already done this, that is when you can now click on this place, click on this ad manager. It's going to take you somewhere here where you choose some of your accounts, any account you want to log into. So when you log into any of your accounts, like me, if I log into this account, it's currently even running. It's currently running, and you can see something. Yeah, you see that this account is currently running ads, and if you check how much I've even used just for this account alone, you see that I've spent over 2 million naira running on this account. So If you want to learn how I use TikTok ads to, to do my business, then it is something that you should learn. It's something you can learn for yourself, and I'm willing to like teach you guys how to do it, but it is not free. So if you're willing to learn how to like use TikTok ads to, make money, how to use it to also get clients, how to use it to like run ads for clients, there is a system here in this TikTok ad. There is a system here where you can use your TikTok ads to run ads for clients, and it's all about just going to, let's go home. So if you want to run ads for clients, you can just click. This is where you'll be. You can. This is where you add account, TikTok account. So there's a system where there's a. I'm going to explain all these things for you in the community when you join. You understand? So you can always add new accounts in this place. You can always add new accounts. It will show all your clients' accounts, and you'll be able to run ads for them for free. I'm going to also show you how to fund your advertisement account, how to fund it, because all these things right now is new in this account because I've not done a lot here. But if you register for this my TikTok ads program, I'm going to show you how to do these things step by step. Now, this is just an elaborate masterclass to just show you exactly what is possible with TikTok ad. For somebody to spend over 2 million in one ad account, that means the person is really doing well, and person is also doing well for his clients. And that is just for one advertisement account. You can see I have various advertising accounts where I run for different agencies, different people. You can see Bossuhzi agency accounts. This is where I run for different agencies. So if you're interested, all you just need to do right now is to just click the link in the description and check out the program and check if it's a good fit for you. And if it's a good fit for you, then let's get straight into business. One thing you need to know is that TikTok ads is for you because it's going to help you convert clients and people. If you can help people if you can help people with make money, they'll pay you so well. So if you're ready for that, just click the link in the description, or just the course is the program is 25,000 naira, but I'm going to give you for what 5,000 naira if you're paying today. You're going to join the masterclass, and in the masterclass in the community we have videos where I talked about everything step by step. So see you in the other side, and I can't wait to have you in the community. Again, it's not just a course, it's a community. It's not just a course, it's a community. A community is a system whereby you have friends and family. Anything you have issue with, you can just ask somebody and somebody will direct you. But a course is where you just take everything by yourself. This one you have a mentor you're working with. There is a lot of offers there for you. So if you're interested, the link is in the description. You can see all about this offer. See you on the other.